doing a little bit of a speed run. The beacon's working in this one, so the drone's able to keep up. Keep in mind also that some of these guys probably could go a lot faster, but they're not on Sherman, so they don't have the bigger battery needed to get to the top and to sustain the higher speeds. So just because I passed people doesn't mean that they couldn't keep up or whatnot. They're on a smaller device. The Sherman has the battery range to just power all the way to the top. Not other devices have that. Also, we're going to try to catch up with Tim Rodriguez. He's way in the front. He's on a 100-volt monster. This guy is hard to catch with his seated ride style. One of the fastest riders out here. Let's see if we can catch him.
Yeah, we coming from a mile away, you can hear the roar. Them knobby ties, we riding higher than we ever did before. If you wanna ride, then I gotta say, hop in at your discretion. Cause some have told me that these seats are in the nosebleed section. Got a 12 gauge on the back glass and it's ready to go. When I'm on the road, I never know when I'll see a buck or a doe. Dipping my lip in a cup of spit in the middle console. Still getting honeys and scaring bunnies, you already know. Haha, so this truck gonna keep on rolling down the road. And it ain't no joke, cause Georgia boys are good as gold. So take some notes when you hear us flow and you see the mud hanging on the door. My truck ain't slow and it ain't for show, cause we jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high.
Deep down in the woods, high like the trees, a bunch of rednecks who don't have no damn degrees. Yeah, I'm ripping for the sticks, I'm ripping for us hicks. I'm talking about us folks who ain't never seen rich. Yeah, my Chevy truck is jacked up, a mud hole make me act up. I snatch and tighten slack up, I'm slinging mud, y'all back up. It's true, it ain't no lie, my Chevy's high on 45s. Cruising DUI, you know I'm sipping apple pie. Got that wheelie bumping loud, black and camo on my ride. Yeah, that Georgia flag flies, cause I'm known to show my pride. Yeah, we creep and we crawl, country clique yelling yeehaw. Yeah, I've had some slips and falls due to too much alcohol. Yeah, my truck sits tall, say I'm scaring acrophobics. Ripping mud and climbing rocks, still can't find a way to roll it. Now